Okay, this is a room tour of 43709 at Palazzo. If we start to the right, we have a full-length mirror. If we go to the left, we have a rather plush bathroom. You've got a shower to the left with a bath. Dual vanity, dual sink. You've even got a telly in here. It's pretty amazing. You've got products. You've got the body lotion there. And you're going to have body wash, conditioner and shampoo. The toilet area and a makeup vanity area. Got the main area now. Got a nice looking double bed. You've got your safe. Decent amount of hanging space. An ironing board. And your dressing gowns. Sets of drawers, your ice buckets and glasses. And the first of 2 tellies. You have a chair, a clock. Top of the clock, you've got 2 USB-A's. And they are the only USBs available in this room. And then you've got your temperature control. Lots of places where you can open and close the curtains. Then we drop down, watch the steps, into the living area, shall we call it. You've got another telly. I believe this is, in this room, there is no fridge you can use. This is your bar fridge, so we're not going to go into that. Table and chairs, a nice living area, so nice corner couch, a table, a desk if you want to do work in Vegas, which I'm sure some people do. And then we're going to move to the view. Non-strip view. That's not a bad view of the strip. Sorry, of the sphere, is it? So that's my king room at the Palazzo. Hope you found this useful. If you have, please do like and subscribe.